Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a look at a brand new meme coin that launched a day or so ago called Billy Bookcase. So as we can see here, guys, it is the Ikea iconic Billy Bookcase. So the Billy Bookcase, if you guys don't know, is the #1 best-selling piece of Ikea furniture, probably like the #1 kind of IKEA anything sold around the world. So it's kind of really well known, and these guys have made a meme out of it. That's absolutely really cool and creative. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little tour of the Billy Bookcase website. We're going to have a look at X, then we're going to have a look at the chart and kind of like have a little discussion of where we can see this one going. You know the drill, guys. Before we kind of crack on, we have to kind of run through the legal disclaimers. YouTube love all of that. So let's run over those. So meme coins are high risk, highly volatile, so you always do your own research and only put in what you can afford to lose. Nothing on this video or this channel is financial advice, guys. It's just my opinion, so always do your own research there, guys. Full legal disclaimer, if you look down in the description below, you'll be able to kind of read that at your leisure. So let's crack on, guys. So as we said, this is based on the Billy Bookcase from Ikea, and the guys have made a really cool character at this. So look at this, the website has got animations as well, so this looks like a pretty cool website. It's kind of made to look similar to the Ikea website as well, so just kind of tying in the overall narrative as well. So you kind of got that golden thread of kind of Billy Bookcase, Ikea as well there, guys. So let's have a little look. So, from shelves to riches. Hello there, future billionaires. I'm Billy, and yes, you might recognise me. I'm not just a bookshelf, I'm a bookshelf. For decades, I've been a top-selling icon in the most famous furniture store, gracing homes and organising lives around the globe. You can say I've seen it all, from dusty textbooks to cherished family photos. I've held the foundations of countless dreams. So that's the little background there. I won't read it all out, guys. You can kind of see that on the screen for yourself. So welcome to the Billy Bookcase Billionaire Blueprint. Let's build something amazing, one organisation step at a time. So, tokenomics. As with most Solana meme coins, guys, these are kind of made on pump.fun. So liquidity 100% burnt, token symbol is Billy, buy and sell tax 0, of course, and then supply the usual 1 billion there. So nothing out of the ordinary there, guys. So roadmap. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. As I kind of say in most of my other videos, it's really good to kind of see a roadmap for a meme coin that is attainable and not kind of completely made up and kind of we're going to get to 1 billion, we're going to list on 10 exchanges within the first day. That's never going to happen realistically. So this looks all pretty much attainable there. So they've created the token, they've created the website, I've got Twitter with the blue tick and Telegram set up, and then I think they've got over 500 holders now, so that's another tick, and the Telegram I think is over 500 as well. So I'll let the project team know that they can kind of tick off a few more of those on their phase 1 there as well. And I think from having a little bit of research into the project, I can see Dex Screener and Dex Tools have been paid as well. So pretty much most of phase 1 has already been done, which is really good to see. So we can have a look on the X later, but we can see that the CoinGecko listing application went in yesterday as well. So those normally going to take 2 to 3 days to come. So CoinGecko is really key, so it helps get more eyes on projects as well. So you always kind of see an initial uplift when people can kind of see and search the meme coins on there. So I'd presume some kind of targeted marketing when that occurs as well will kind of really kind of send this up to hopefully a new all-time high for the holders there as well. So how to buy, so you can download a wallet, Phantom or Soulflare, you know the drill, guys, normal best ones for using on Solana. Back up your seed phrase, fund it through Solana, then collect it to Pump Fund, Radium or Jupiter, paste in the official contract address, so you can kind of buy that as well. So always make sure you kind of use the official contract address. You'll be able to kind of get that from the Telegram or the website. We'll have a look to see if we can find that later as well. If in doubt, always ask the project team, make sure you kind of get the correct contract address, because as meme coins do well, or other coins, there might be kind of duplicates come up. Obviously they won't have a proper team behind them, so you want to make sure that you're kind of buying the legit one to kind of stand a good chance of potentially making some good gains, guys. Billy products. This is hilarious. So they've got all the different types of Billy you can buy there as well. I didn't even know you could get a kind of corner curved one. That's a bit jazzy, this one over here. I like that. So join the community. So we kind of got links to Twitter, Telegram, and Dex Screener there, guys, as well. So it's quite a little bit similar to the Ikea website. It's got that kind of fun feeling and vibe there as well. And I've just noticed we've got the buy button at the top there, which will kind of take you off to be able to kind of buy the product there as well. So let's go and have a little look what's going on X for this one. Let me give my follow as well. Why not? So here's a little bit about the project. Meet Billy, future billionaire bookcase, get organised, get wealthy, Solana Home Solutions. So important update, so this was pinned 19 hours ago. So as I said, they've got the CoinGecko application in, so that normally takes kind of 2 to 3 days there as well to kind of get approved. And then we've got some tweets, so 55 minutes ago. Always like to kind of have a look at X accounts, making sure that there's kind of plenty of tweets coming out and they're active, because X is the lifeblood of meme coins, really, guys, isn't it? So we want to make sure that they're active and being engaged. So we can kind of see here reasonably large $1,000 on Billy Bookcase buy there, which is good to see. And then some more tweets coming out there as well, with some animated GIFs as well, so that's good to see. Always like seeing kind of little AI clips or some GIFs rather than just plain pictures. Got your Billy bags packed yet? All loaded yet? So that's good. It kind of gives more confidence that the team are kind of trying hard behind the scenes and putting effort in to kind of help pump everybody's bags there. So plenty of tweets. What's this? Big things are brewing. A partnership reveal is on the way. Stay tuned and follow us on X to see who's joining the shelf. Okay. There we go. So good information there as well, guys. So let's go and have a little look at Dex Screener. So I had a look at this earlier. So a little bit of a mixed bag. It had an absolute behemoth of a god candle at the start, and as we can kind of see with most meme coins, I think it bonded in about 5 seconds or something crazy. It was absolutely nuts looking at this candle, and then the usual kind of like a few sell-offs there as well, and then we're kind of moving into FOMC, so the kind of market's kind of going down a little bit here, a few sell-offs, and then looks like we've kind of got a floor round about 90 to 100 K there, kind of gone down a little bit there, and a nice pump there, and kind of holding around about 85 there as well. So so this is recorded on the 17th, so kind of FOMC day, so I expect this to kind of be a little bit volatile, a little bit sideways. So hopefully if we get some good news later, we should see a nice pump to the upside there as well, guys. So remember, always do your own research. Meme coins are high risk and highly volatile, but I understand that the team have kind of got some ideas that they're going to be doing behind the scenes, and they've kind of had some paid videos already for some influencers as well. So yeah, I think this one's going to do really well in the future, given the right market conditions and kind of people getting behind it and holding their bags and not kind of cheating out early on projects there as well. It is a very unique narrative. I don't think anyone's done Billy Bookcase from Ikea, but I think it could go viral. It's really good, guys, there as well. So I'm going to leave the video there for now. As always, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help get the message out and through the YouTube algorithm, and help get more eyes on these low cap gems I'm trying to bring you as well. We'll have all the information about this project in the description below there as well, so kind of come and give them a like and a follow on their X account as well, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.